Did you know that your gut lining completely renews itself every 3 to 5 days, but only if you give it a break? Fasting creates the perfect window for this repair cycle to kick in. If your gut feels inflamed or bloated, this could be the key you've been missing. Today, I'll show you how fasting strengthens your gut lining and reverses leaky gut step by step. Leaky gut isn't just a buzzword, it's a condition where the intestinal lining becomes too permeable. Think of your gut lining like a tight mesh filter. When it's damaged, toxins, food particles, and bacteria leak into the bloodstream, triggering inflammation and immune reactions. The surprising fact, over 70% of your immune system is in your gut. That means that if your gut lining is weak, your immune system is always on high alert. This is where fasting comes in. It gives your digestive system a break and allows your gut cells, called enterocytes, to repair themselves faster. But before we talk about fasting windows, we need to understand what actually causes this damage in the first place. Processed foods, seed oils, gluten, and even stress all weaken your gut barrier. When you constantly snack or eat around the clock, your gut is never allowed to fully rest. One overlooked fact, constant eating can cause an overproduction of the protein zinulin, which literally loosens your gut barrier. By reducing meal frequency through fasting, you bring zinulin back down and start rebuilding your gut's defenses. This is why people often feel less bloated and more energized after even a short fast. Now, let's dive into how fasting actually does this on a cellular level. If you're sick of feeling bloated and sluggish, grab my 7-day carnivore gut reset. It's a simple step-by-step plan that gets your gut back on track fast. The link's right below is free. When you fast, something called autophagy kicks in. This process recycles damaged gut cells and clears out harmful bacteria, giving your digestive tract a clean slate. Even a short fast of 14 to 16 hours can boost stem cell activity in the intestines, helping to rebuild the gut lining faster than eating every few hours. Fasting also reduces inflammatory cytokines, which are chemical messengers that aggravate gut damage. But not all fasting schedules are equally effective. So, how long should you fast to really see gut healing benefits? If you're new, a 12 to 16 hour fast is the perfect starting point. This gives your body enough time to enter repair mode while still being sustainable. For deeper healing, a 24-hour fast once or twice a week can supercharge autophagy and reduce gut permeability. A lesser-known strategy, alternate day fasting, where you eat every 48 hours. It's been shown to have incredible results for gut health in animal studies. But fasting isn't just about not eating. It's also about what you eat when you break your fast. Basically, you want to eat the foods that rebuild your gut lining the fastest. When you break your fast, your gut is like a dry sponge ready to absorb everything. This is the best time to give it the healing foods. Bone broth, grass-fed beef, eggs, and healthy animal fats are rich in amino acids like glycine and glutamine that repair the gut lining. Collagen from bone broth is especially powerful for tightening up leaky gut junctions. And here's the tripped out part. If you break your fast with processed foods or seed oils, you can undo all the healing you just achieved. But fasting isn't for everyone. What if your hormones and energy levels start to take a hit? Long fasts can sometimes cause issues if your body isn't ready. To protect your hormones, pair fasting with nutrient-dense meals. Focus on high-quality proteins and fats during your eating window. Women in particular may benefit from shorter fasts or fasting every other day instead of daily. Another tip, stay hydrated with electrolytes and mineral-rich water. Dehydration can cause gut irritation and make fasting harder on your body. By balancing fasting with smart refeeding, you'll not only repair leaky gut but also improve energy, mental clarity, and digestion. If this video helped you understand your body better, imagine what could happen if you actually fix your gut for good. Download my free guide, 7-Day Carnivore Gut Reset, and take the first real step toward eliminating bloating, fixing digestion, and rebalancing your hormones. The link's in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. We've got more no-fluff videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.